Tesla Energy launches partnership with Australian home goods store. Tesla has launched a new partnership with a chain of home goods and appliance stores in Australia, with the stores now set to sell and install some of the company's energy products. On Tuesday, Tesla's Australia and New Zealand account posted on X that the Powerwall 3 wall connector and mobile connector are now available at select Bunnings warehouse locations. The announcement comes as the first such partnership to sell Tesla's energy products third-party, and just months after the company's latest home battery was launched in the country. The mobile connector is listed on the Bunnings warehouse website at $358 USD, and the wall connector priced at $521 USD. The select Bunnings warehouse locations are also able to perform installations for the users. In order to buy the Powerwall 3, users must request a quote from Tesla's website, not including delivery, installation, or additional costs, though the website says it will be priced at roughly $11,900 AUD for one Powerwall, $23,800 AUD for two, or $35,700 AUD for three, with the gateway estimated to cost $1,700 AUD. Tesla ad shows EV and Powerwall customer saved 94% on electricity bill. Currently, Bunnings says installation for the charging equipment is available at select locations in Victoria and New South Wales, though it's set to arrive at chain locations across the rest of the Australian states soon, with the exception of the Northern Territory. You can currently see the products on the Bunnings warehouse website, and the list of initial Victoria and NSW locations where installation is available can be seen below. Victoria Bunnings warehouse sites with Tesla Energy Products installation: Box Hill Warehouse, Epping Warehouse, Hoppers Crossing Warehouse. NSW Bunnings warehouse sites with Tesla Energy Products installation: Castle Hill Warehouse. Tesla officially launched the next-gen Powerwall 3 in Western Australia in September, following the new product's debut in the US, Canada, the UK, and Germany taking place throughout this year. The Powerwall 3 has several advantages over the Powerwall 2, including that it comes with a built-in solar inverter, along with being able to handle a peak power level of roughly 30 kilowatts, or enough to manage a dryer and air conditioner. The company has also launched its virtual power plant VPP program in certain parts of Australia, following launches of similar pilots in the US, Japan, and multiple other markets. The program effectively lets those with a Powerwall contribute to a giant, distributed battery using their stored power during times of peak demand, with owners able to sell electricity back to the grid to help stabilize demand generation. Source: reposted and summarized from Zachary Visconti at teslarati.